up on stories of freedom and light across the wide ocean where dreams touch the sky. But the wind carries whispers from far, far away, and the songs feel uneasy when they speak your name. They talk about borders drawn sharp in the sand, about power and pressure with a shaking hand. Green lands in the north used as threats in a deal, coins thrown like daggers to see who will kneel. I hear boots on the pavement, I hear mothers cry. Laws bend like old branches under storm-heavy skies. I am afraid of the USA, not of the people, not of their pain. I am afraid of the fire they play when fear is a weapon and force is the way. I am afraid of the USA when silence is bought and truth is delayed. I pray for the hearts that are pulled astray. I am afraid. I am afraid. Plains over deserts, promises burn, old wars dress new, but the lessons don't learn. At home in the streets, sirens sing loud. Justice wears armor and angers a crowd. Courts draw the line as the lines start to shake. Power asks how much a democracy takes. I am afraid of the USA when orders are louder than human names. I am afraid of the games they play with markets, with lives, with debts we all pay. I am afraid of the USA when neighbors divide and brothers take sides. I pray for the cracks before they break. I am afraid. I am If strength forgets mercy and flags hide the truth, then giants can stumble like drunk men in boots. I don't sing this in hatred, I sing this in fear, because what you decide there still reaches us here.